Again?
What's the matter, dear?
What's the matter? The dishes are what's the matter?
Shh! They're trying to sleep.
Don't you dare shush me! Who cares if they're sleeping? They're part of the problem!
What's going on?
It's nothing, honey. Go back to sleep.
Oh, no you don't. You keep her awake for this.
Father, mate, I love you. I love you, man.
Oh, shut up!
Mother, why doesn't Father love me? You love me, right?
Oh, dear. No one loves you.
This house is a fucking nightmare. No one can do the dishes. We have a bloody rat living with us. And George! George, wake up!
What? What's up, Frank?
You better stop checking out my wife!
Come on, dear. It's not like that.
Yeah, back off, Pop.
I like George. George is pretty cool, dude. What the fuck?
Oh, shut up! Shut up! I know you've been cheating on me with him!
Frank!
Oh, shit!
George is nice.
I've seen the way you look at her, how you always laugh under my nose, how you always sneak out during the night to see him!